Hello and welcome to another Brett Plays Combination Engineering Crane. You can't believe it's not Lego. Panlos brick in the Bulldozer, so D model Bulldozer, part of the 8-in-1 that I showed at the beginning there. Let's get these instructions out, nothing left inside. Micro kit, we have already built the other 4. If you haven't seen these, I do have them on my channel, go and check them out. Alright, we've got instructions for the 8-in-1 kit from 35 to 43, but we will be building the small fella for a start today. Stickers are stuck with sticky tape on the back again. I'll take that out. Looks like it's only one sticker today. See if we can get this off. With a little bit of ease. Thank you. Put that in my rubbish. Okay, this piece of sticky tape's coming off with ease. Okay, let's put that over there. Alright, so what have we got? Bulldozer. Now this does look pretty cool. Actually, we've got 2 stickers on there. Do what we do with most of these. I will separate the colours, just to make things easier. A quick knolling just into separate colors. I'm not going to order them for you guys. I just want to keep these as quick builds. If you haven't seen the first 4 builds, go check out my channel. If you're seeing this one and you want to finish watching this one first, you're not going to miss out on too much in which order you see these. Other than the occasional time that I might say, like in the previous build. So, like in the previous build, there you go. We get to put these axles on the small dome type thing. And then this time we get... what do we get? That's a large one. Okay, one of those there, and a single 2x1 by 1. Looks like we're getting a wheel arch up and over. Okay, and then we're getting, I'm guessing this is the front bar. Turn around that way. Oh, because it's articulate. Okay, cool. I get what they're doing here. So the front and rear will swivel on itself. I'm quite happy with that. Okay. What is it? Is it the... one of these pieces has... okay, it's these ones. 2 of them? Yes. Okay. 1 there. One there. Okay, cool. Are they going to balance there? Not very well. Alright, D6. Wow, look at all that stuff. Okay. A few arms. What are we going to do? We're going to put all of the 4 round things with spikes here. Lack of knowing what to call them. And the little, oh, they look like spanners. I think people in the US call them wrenches. Is that meant to sit in next to each other? Oh yeah, because this one's not all the way in. Interesting. Okay. Cool. Whoop, balance. Alright, what are we missing on this one? We've got turn around, put some clear things on. Okay. This is got clear lights at the back. Right, okay. and what looks like a grill. Okay. Whoop. I guess these things can turn around and go either way, can they? Now we do the same again. Get the disc and what is going to be an axle. Move on to a ball joint. That's cool. And one is curved up. Yep. Okay, it's going to be sticker time in a second. Which way compared with the ball joint? Ball joint's at the back. This goes that way. Well, that looks fancy. That actually looks a bit like off a ATV. Probably even more so when I put these on. Oh wow, that one is being stubborn. Let's try the other side. There we go. It was stuck on very well. Okay, that actually applied pretty good. Alright, we don't need those at the moment. Okay, D10, yes thank you. D11. We need one of those and one of those. It so looks like an ATV front. Okay. It goes up. And this will be the shovel. Very nice. Let's try to turn that around. Okay, yes, yes, and that in the middle, okay. And then the corners, thank you. Yep, okay. And that goes, oh, it just goes on the front. Oh, right, okay. So no moving it up or down. Okay, put the two pieces together. Look at that. So, including up and down. Well, that's pretty cool. Alright, and then we need to put in kind of what looks more like a seat rather than a cab. Yeah. I'm guessing those things at the front there are meant to be the controls. Up, down, back, forth. Whoop. That one didn't like coming in place there. There we go. Easier coming in from the side. Okay, time for the wheels. Same as all my other ones. There is a pattern, so we'll put the pattern on the outside. No pattern on the inside. Interesting with the blue lights at the back are not red / orange. There is the Bulldozer. Very cute. Can articulate up and down. Not very well with the seat thing there. Although you can bring that up. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Go check out the other ones if you haven't already. And we will move on to the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.